Welcome to Module 5. Click on Module 5, Overview, Watch. In this final module, we're going to reflect on our learning throughout this course. Click the next button. During the Read section, you have an opportunity to reflect on the 21st century skills that you've just worked on throughout this course and integrated into your lesson plan. We're going to ask that you click on the flip grid and post a reflection on the process. When you click on the flip grid, you're going to see that there are over 230 responses so far. These are different educators throughout the nation who have taken this course and have reflected on the lesson plan that they've developed. We encourage you to go back and listen to these educators, as they may spark some ideas of things that you might want to incorporate into your own teaching throughout this next school year. Also might help you to understand that what you're going through right now with this transition to online learning, you're not going through alone. There are a lot of other teachers that are in this process with you, and this is a great collaborative environment where you can learn from one another and share ideas. You can go ahead and click on the next button. If you have questions on how to use Flipgrid, you can watch the videos. We're encouraging you to interact with Flipgrid so that you can incorporate this into your classroom as a great tool for collaboration and assessment. If you'd like, you can receive 2 quarter units of credit for going through this course. What you need to do is you're going to self-register through the University of California, San Diego. As you self-register, it will take 24 to 48 hours for you to have access to the course, and then you're going to upload 2 documents for us. When you click on the next button, you're going to actually find a PDF that will give you step-by-step directions to self-register for the course. You only need to self-register if you want to receive those 2 quarter units of university credit. Please note there is 1 document for elementary teachers. This would be K through 6 teachers. And 1 document for secondary teachers, 7 through 12. Each has a different course number attached to it. If you happen to register for the wrong course, it's not a big deal, but we'd love to keep it with elementary in 1 course and secondary in another. Clicking the next button, you're going to see the 2 assignments that you need to submit for the university credit. You will only see this blue submit button when you self-register for the course. If you are choosing just to access this course through the public link that you were given during your professional development, this button will not appear. So again, this button will only appear when you have submitted and registered, when you have registered through the self-registration process for the course. You'll simply, for the Flipgrid, if you've posted to Flipgrid, you're going to hit Submit Assignment and click Text Entry and just say, I have submitted to Flipgrid. And then you will click the Submit Assignment button. That will notify us that you've completed the assignment. The second assignment, by clicking the next button, is to upload the final lesson plan that you completed and uploaded to the Google Drive for the district. Simply click Submit Assignment. You can either upload the Word document or you can copy and paste it into the text box. When that's done, you click Submit Assignment. If you click on the Grades button, and again, you'll only see the Grades button if you have self-registered for the course and accessed the course through my extension at UC San Diego. That is in the directions through the PDF. You'll notice that the 2 assignments that need to be submitted are submitted with a T. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to us through email. And we would be happy to get back with you immediately, again through email, or set up a Zoom call for any additional information. When you're in the module setup, you'll see right here are the directions for self-registration for the university credit for elementary as well as secondary.